Welcome to a regular day of my life. I'm just casually drowning in all my life responsibilities. Here's me trying to catch up with work, trying to eat healthy, trying to work out regularly, trying to take care of my mental health, trying to learn new things, and trying to have a social life. Hey guys, it's Gloria. I am cleaning out my closet again because I am running out of hangers. Okay, that's only part of the reason. The main reason is that I have decided to build a capsule wardrobe, a real one. That means I will only have a curated number of 30 to 40 items for an entire season. And the very first step to this is to conduct a thorough closet cleanout. Why am I doing this to myself, you ask? Well, I just realized that I don't actually need that many clothes, especially in these pandemic times. And having all this excess stuff not only takes up my closet space, but also my mind space. Well, with my career choice, this comes with a unique challenge because I need clothes to create outfit videos. But the reality is, I don't wear most of my clothes. I pretty much only wear this black outfit on a daily basis. You know, I just want to be a black shadow and disappear into the crowd. Anyway, my point is, we probably all have clothes lying around that we don't wear. And if you don't need lots of clothes for creating outfit videos, for example, then this should be even easier for you. So, with this closet clean out, I figured today will be the perfect opportunity to start a brand new series, which is a capsule wardrobe series. I know I have done capsule wardrobe videos before, but those are just me dabbing my toes into this whole thing. Now shit is getting real. This is daunting for me too, but I have made up my mind. And when I make up my mind, nobody can change my mind. It's a Taurus thing, blame it on my star sign, which has no scientific proof whatsoever. What is my goal here? This is not just a random wardrobe clean out video just because I feel like it. No. I'm doing this with a clear why. I always ask myself why when I do things. Well, except for ordering the exact same food for lunch for the 50th time. I don't know why I keep doing that. Anyway, the goal for today's clean out is to pick out the items that I absolutely love and actually enjoy wearing. My end goal is to have 30 to 40 items for the upcoming season. But today we're not focusing on that just yet. This is more of a general closet clean out. And since I am bracing myself for the colder months to come, I'm only going to go through my fall and winter items. I'm going to put away all my summer clothes for now, as well as my last hope to stay outdoors without turning into an ice cube. Well, as I go through each piece of my clothes, I'm going to divide them into 4 categories. Keep, sell, donate/recycle, and maybe. Yes, I have a maybe category now because I've learned that things are not always so black and white in life, and being indecisive is a part of human nature. Having a maybe category could help me be more rigorous when it comes to deciding what I'm absolutely keeping. A side note, I'm going to exclude things like gym wear, loungewear, and thermal underwear because these things are purely functional and not a part of my personal style. They can chill in their own little corner. Alright, now let the journey begin. Like I just mentioned, I'm going to put away my seasonal items for now, which is all my summer clothes in this case. And as you can see here, I'm just taking all my summer clothes out of my closet and storing them in the other closet. Why do I have 2 closets? Because there is a second room in my apartment that is not occupied by anyone. This is how much of a loner I am. Anyway, if you don't have a second closet, you can also store your seasonal items in storage boxes, as long as they are out of sight for now and not taking up your precious closet space for the upcoming season. This is literally all my summer clothes, like everything I have. Now that I've stored away my summer clothes, I'm only left with the clothes for the colder months, which is unfortunately the majority of my clothes. Just look at what I'm starting with. There's barely any change here. Well, now let's do the most exciting part, or the most tiring part, taking everything out. I literally took everything out of my closet like 3 months ago in my wardrobe organization video, but I don't have anything better to do in my life and I could use a workout, so here we go again. Anyway, my usual OCD trick for this process is to group the clothes into different piles so that it will be easier for me to find things later. I've got designated piles for tops, bottoms, dresses, and outerwear. I feel like I'm burning so many calories here, like, boop, there goes a calorie, boop, there goes another calorie. And yes, I do have better things to do in my life, like taking care of my actual life responsibilities. Now, let's burn some more calories. I'm going to try everything on and honestly ask myself a series of soul-searching questions. Question 1. Do I love it? If someone breaks into my house and steals it from my closet, am I going to cry about it? Or am I going to be like, eh? Question 2. Does it fit me? And if not, can it be altered? You know what they say, life is too short to wear clothes that don't fit you. Okay, nobody said that, I made it up. But it's true. Question 3, do I wear it often? You've got to be honest with yourself here. If you haven't worn it for the past couple years, the chance of you suddenly starting to love wearing it is very slim. Don't lie to yourself, I'm watching you. Question 4, is it my style? For me, I'm pretty clear on my style now, but I know some of you might still be searching for your personal style, and that's okay. As you go through what you tend to love, you slowly start to notice what kind of style you're going for. I'm going to start with the tops. Let's take this black cashmere turtleneck as an example. This is a different shirt from the one I was just wearing, by the way. I love it to pieces. If someone steals it from my closet, I'm definitely gonna notice right away. And you bet I'm gonna find that person. Anyway, it also fits me in all the right places. I wear it all the time. And I've said it before, this is literally me in sweater form. So absolutely yes, I'm keeping it. I love silk, and this blouse also fits me perfectly. However, I find that I barely wear it. It's either the color or the style, I just don't feel like me when I'm wearing it, if you know what I mean. But since it is in a material that I love, I think I'm gonna put it in the maybe category. That means I'll be taking it out of my closet and put it in the other closet, and I'll see if I miss it. Okay, I have a tendency to accidentally ruin all my clothes. I wore this shirt to a coffee shop, and then I spilled a cup of tea into a red paper bag. Yes, I also spill my tea all the time. Not to mention I also recently ruined the laptop because of this. Anyway, as I was trying to wipe the bag, the red dye got transferred to my shirt and now I can't wash it off. I'll take it to the dry cleaner and see if they can get rid of the red dye, and I'll probably just donate it or recycle it. I am sorry, but if I keep yakking, it's gonna take 2 years to finish this clean out, and it is getting dark, so here comes the voiceover Gloria. Basically, I'm just trying everything on from each pile, going from tops to bottoms to outerwear and finally to dresses. And I'm going to ask myself the same 4 questions. Do I love it? Does it fit me? Do I actually wear it? And is it my style? If the answer is yes to all 4 questions, then it gets to go back to my closet. If there is a no, then it could be a maybe. That means I'm going to move it to the other closet and give it a few more chances. If I've decided right then and there that I don't want it anymore, I can either sell it or donate it. But knowing how lazy I am when it comes to reselling my clothes, I'll only consider reselling something if it's valuable, and I'll donate the rest. Hey guys, this is the next day, obviously. I finished at around 11 last night, which was a nightmare. That is, I only managed to put all the clothes I'm keeping back into my closet so that I can have a bed to sleep on, and the rest are still piling on my chair right now. But anyway, let me show you the results. This is what I'm keeping. Things are a lot more spaced out now, and I absolutely love every single piece in here. I've got my tops over here, my sweaters up there, a few dresses that I might need in case of any events, a whole bunch of outerwear because I pretty much have to live in them, and these are the bottoms. Okay, so what am I getting rid of? Not too much actually, but I do have a lot in the maybe category. Look, this is all the hangers I freed up. Anyway, this is the maybe category. I'm going to move these to the other closet for now. It's like a trial separation. Mostly there's nothing wrong with them, but the main problem is that I don't wear them often enough. I'll see if I miss them, and if not, I'm going to either give them to someone else or move them to the resell or donate category in the future. This is what I'm planning to sell. Yeah, nothing. I'm a lazy ass when it comes to selling my clothes. This is what I'm donating, just a few sad pieces. I am so sorry, but I really don't need you anymore. There's something I really wanted to say. I feel like on social media nowadays, doing an extreme closet clean out is kind of like a trend on its own. I see people get rid of a whole bunch of things and then they go buy a whole bunch of new things. This is not sustainable at all. You might think that the clothes that we donate will go to someone in need. Well, unless your clothes are really nice clothes, the reality is a lot of the clothes that we donate actually end up in the landfill because there are simply too many of them. The best way to solve this problem is to stop buying so many things. And the second best way is to wear what you already have, because the most sustainable clothes of all are the clothes in your closet. But here comes the paradox. If we're trying to build a capsule wardrobe, but then we have all these clothes that we don't wear, then where do they go? Well, like I said, life is not so black and white. It's not like if we adopt a capsule wardrobe, we can't have other clothes hanging in our closet anymore. Well, the only exception is when you don't have any clothes to begin with, then lucky you, a capsule wardrobe is all you need. But for the rest of us who are guilty of buying too much stuff, a capsule wardrobe is a great way to simplify our lives on a day-to-day basis. And we can still keep the extra clothes and see if we can find creative ways to wear them before we say, okay, it's time to part with them. Does it mean we can't buy new things? Not at all. We just need to be more mindful in the future and only buy things that we absolutely love and need. You see how much effort it takes to do a closet clean out, right? If you love everything you own, you don't even need to do a closet clean out in the first place. I do have a small wish list for the upcoming season. For example, some nice cardigans, some basic tops for layering, and something like an oversized black blazer. They have been on my wish list for a while now, and I'm excited to bring in a few new pieces that can mix and match perfectly with my existing wardrobe. And that concludes today's video. Next week, we're doing this capsule wardrobe thing for real. I'm going to review my 30 to 40 items. I don't know what they're gonna be either, so I guess we all have to wait and see. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!